So we got a grade 8 bolt. So if you got 6 tabs off there, that means grade 8. You see it's moving by hand. One more time for the Jeep guys.
Well, I'd say that's pretty good.
It's good enough. Put it on stun. Small one here. Alright, so okay, so we just walked literally it really doesn't matter. Yeah, January 2023, we walked through Lowe's and we saw these on a display, Rotary Thread. We're not sure. I mean, these things could have been out for a while. I'm not aware of them. We typically use a triangle file or other means to actually correct smashed over threads, damaged threads, or whatever. But these things right here look pretty cool. You have a cylinder disc for your outside threads, and they give you a smaller one for the inside of a nut. But you know, my thoughts are is the smaller one would drop down and work for a little bit more finer bolts. But that's cool, being able to get in there and touch up bolts. But yeah, so let's see how this thing works. Like I said, this is a grade 8 bolt. I guess the good side of it being grade 8 is it didn't get into actually how hard I was swinging. If this would have been a standard grade bolt, you know, less than 5, I probably would have deformed the bolt a little bit with how hard I was swinging right there. With this being an 8, it only smashed the threads down. But we're gonna actually put this thing to the test to see if it will straighten that thing up, because it's pretty obvious right now it ain't going. So we got a drill. Of course, this drill here can handle up to 1/2 inch, but you don't need it. Just a 3/8 easy enough. A die grinder, but I want to first try to do it with this drill. Hopefully we don't cut ourselves. Oh, that's a nice blade right there. Even if I did slip, I couldn't have cut myself. I made these. Let's get right across the top. What if they had instructions in there, though? We may have needed Hey, get a little case. Did I destroy the case?
You cut the lid off.
Of course I did. Brilliant, brilliant. Don't do what I do. Does it still work?
Probably not.
Hey, I'll show people my mistakes.
Yeah, just
whatever.
Whatever. Tape over it. It'll be fine.
And yeah, there are instructions in there, but I don't care about that. All right, so let's start with this big guy since we're right there. That's hilarious. Oh, I think we already got. Here, come on in here. Here. I think we already got a little bit of success. You see it already cleaned that one thread up. It feels like it has pretty good cutting stones on it. For those worried about it, this is like a diamond tip, so I mean, I technically could cut myself if I went around, but man, I almost think I can get it off already. tell, but it looks like it will. No, got to touch up that. Oh, right there, I got to touch that thread up a little more. Bam! So they got this one here showing that you could go inside and touch up threads. And I could see that because we've had a couple bolts, mainly on our Jeeps, that we've messed up the edge. And I was somewhat able to straighten out. It was on a weekend. I couldn't get anything else. This right here, I would have been able to go in there and touch those threads up. So that's cool. What else? Like I said, it came with this arbor. Yeah, I think that's the way it would go. So that way you can chuck it up. Of course, that shoulder right there, this is the size that this takes, so you'd be able to back that out. But after seeing what I just saw right there, how well this thing cuts, a drill's all you need. Because I was only cutting, what, at 500 to 800 RPMs?
Yeah, not very much.
Not, what are these things, 25,000?
Yeah.
30? I don't know what they are. So, all right, so this is a win for this thing right here. This is a total win. I think, man, this, not only do we need this for our Jeeps, for, you know, banging bolts up, I think we need it on the job site too.
Yeah.
Because there's different times we mess bolts up right at the job. So, okay. I did get a kick out. It says that it'll work on fractional and metric. Okay. And it'll work on pipe thread too.
Yeah.
Okay. Inside and out. Now that's about the only thing right there. But I did like the marketing person right there that telling us that it would work on both fractional and metric. So I think that's it. I think this was just under 20 bucks. Let's see if there's any wear. I don't see any wear marks.
Nope.
This guy looks like it could be
Brand
like
new.
you could cut with it a ton.
Yep.
So, all right. Totally recommend this.
Have to redo
What are you
the
doing?
case. Putting some duct tape on the case that you cut in half.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I didn't do that. It was shipped that way.
Yeah. Good as new.